Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Premier protein. These are super convenient. I just keep them in my fridge and so I can have them on the go and they're always just ready. This is 11 fluid ounces. It's 160 calories, 30 grams of protein, only 1 gram of sugar, and they are keto friendly also because they're really low in carbs. These taste really great. They're not chalky. I've had a lot of other protein drinks that have that chalky, filmy taste. These don't at all. They taste really, really good. Perfect for on the go. Like I said, I'll pull one out of my fridge and just throw it in my bag for if I'm out and I get hungry. This really seems to curb my hunger a lot and hold me over until my next meal. I also drink these right after a workout and they are just so convenient and so great. If you are looking for something that's going to be a lot of protein, maybe fit into your diet if you're doing keto, not a lot of fat, really low in fat, and just something that tastes great, I think that this would be perfect for you. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you.